Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 132,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.